Hi students, next properties of permutations. Property number 1, npn which is equal to npn minus 1. Okay, proof. We take LHS npn. Okay, using npr we know that the npr which is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Okay, using into these formulas into here n factorial divided by n minus n factorial. Okay, n minus n factorial is 0 factorial. The value of the 0 factorial is 1. Therefore n factorial. Okay, this is equation number 1. Now we take RHS n p n minus 1. Okay, using into this formula of npr, this is n factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial. Okay, then the numerator is n factorial, then the denominator is product of minus 1 into within the brackets, that is n minus of minus plus 1 factorial. Okay, plus n minus n cancel, only 1 factorial. 1 factorial is 1. And the numerator is n factorial, then the denominator is 1 divided by 1, then the result is n factorial. This is equation number 2. Okay, from equation 1 and 2, comparing equation 1 and 2, then the result is n factorial. Both are same, means LHS are equal. Okay, from equation 1, 2, npn which is equal to npn minus 1. Okay, npn minus 1. Next property number 2, npr which is equal to n into the next number. Okay, n minus 1, p the position r next number, that is r minus 1, which is equal to this result. Okay, proof. We take LHS npr. Okay, npr it is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Okay, label the equation number 1. Now we take RHS n into n minus 1 p r minus 1. Okay, here the product n is doesn't change. Okay, n minus 1 factorial divided by difference between two numbers, that is n minus 1 minus r minus 1 factorial. Okay, now n into, then the numerator is n minus 1 factorial, then the denominator is minus r minus of minus plus 1, that is n minus 1 minus r minus of minus plus 1 factorial. Okay, minus 1 plus 1 are cancelled, then the remaining is n minus r factorial. Then the numerator is here, let one example, 5 into 4 factorial. Okay, 5 into 4 factorial. 5 means, assume 5 means n. Okay, n equal to 5, the position 4 is equal to, we can rewrite in n minus 1. Okay, n minus 1, n into n minus 1 factorial, which is equal to 5 factorial. Okay, which is equal to 5 factorial, isn't it? Yes. Similarly to the same process, n into n minus 1 factorial we can rewrite to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. This is equation number 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2, then the result is same. Therefore results LHS are equal. From equation 1, 2, then the result is npr which is equal to n into the next number is n minus 1, that is n minus 1 p r minus 1. Okay, next property number 3, then the result is NPR, which is equal to n minus 1 PR plus R into n minus 1 PR minus 1. Okay, PR minus 1. Proof. Take RHS. Okay, take RHS. It is n minus 1 PR plus R into n minus 1 PR minus 1. Okay, this is equal to, in the first term we can rewrite using the formula of NPR, that is n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 1 minus R. Okay, minus R factorial. This is first term, plus second term R into, using the NPR formula, that is n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 1 minus R minus 1 factorial. Okay, thus R minus 1 factorial. Here change product minus 1 into the brackets, that is n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus R minus 1 factorial plus R into, then the numerator is n minus 1 factorial divided by, then the denominator is n minus 1 minus R, minus of minus plus 1. Okay, factorial. Here minus 1 plus 1 are cancelled, then the remaining is n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus R minus 1 factorial plus R into n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus R factorial. Okay, n minus R factorial, minus R factorial. Here then the numerator n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial. Okay, two terms, n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial are common in two terms. Okay, take outside, then the denominator is here n minus R factorial. Okay, n minus R factorial. So n minus R factorial we can change to n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus R minus 1 factorial plus R into, then the numerator is n minus 1 factorial divided by, this term change to, for example n factorial. Okay, for example n factorial, which is n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, then we can rewrite n into n minus 1 into n minus 1 minus 1, that is n minus 2 factorial. Okay, similarly to the same process into here, that is n minus R into n minus R minus 1 factorial. Okay, n minus R minus 1 factorial. Here then the denominator is n minus R minus 1 factorial, n minus R minus 1 factorial. Then the numerator is n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial are common in two terms. Take outside. Okay, that is n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus R minus 1 factorial. In the first term is 1 plus in the second term R. Okay, then the numerator is R, then the denominator is n minus R. Okay, n minus R. Take LCM, that is using cross multiple, that is n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus R minus 1 factorial. Product crossing multiple, that is n minus R plus R divided by n minus R. Okay, then the numerator is minus R plus R are cancelled, only n. Okay, here n into n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus R into n minus R minus 1 factorial. Okay, here comparing to this 5 into 4 factorial we can rewrite to big number 5 comma 4, 5 factorial. 5 into 4 factorial we can rewrite to 5 factorial, and 11 into 10 factorial we can rewrite to 11 factorial. Okay, similarly to the same process in the numerator and the denominator is n into n minus 1 factorial is n factorial divided by, then the denominator is n minus r into n minus r minus 1 is n minus r factorial. Okay, n factor divided by n minus r factorial is n npr, okay, which is equal to npr. In the beginning we take RHS, here change to the LHS. Okay, RHS equal to LHS, hence proved. RHS equal to LHS, hence proved. Next, exercise 4.2. First question, if n minus 1 p3 ratio, okay, ratio np4, that is east, np4 is equal to 1 is to 10. Find n. Okay, first of all, a is to b, which is equal to c is to d. It can be written as, east means division. Okay, a ratio, that is a by b, which is equal to c divided by d. Similarly, we can write in now, that is n minus 1 p3 divided by n p4, which is equal to 1 divided by 10. Okay, the next one 5p3. Okay, 5p3 means we take only 3 objects, okay, in descending orders, that is 5 into 4 into 3. Similarly to the same process, we take only 3 objects at a time, that is n minus 1 into n minus 1 minus 1 into n minus 1 minus 2. Okay, divided by, then the denominator is np4. We take 4 objects, that is n into n minus 1 into n minus 1 minus 1 into n minus 1 minus 2. Okay, minus 2, which is equal to, here is equal to 1 divided by 10. Then the numerator is n minus 1, next one is n minus 2, next one is n minus 3 divided by, then the denominator is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3, isn't it? Yes, this is equal to 1 divided by 10. Then the numerator n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 are cancelled. Okay, then the denominator 1 divided, left hand side have 1 divided by n, which is equal to 1 divided by 10. Take reciprocal, we get n equal to 10. Take reciprocal, we get n equal to 10. Okay, question number 3, first subdivision. Suppose 8 people enter an event in a swimming meet. Okay, 8 person entered in swimming meet. In how many ways could the gold, silver and bronze prizes be awarded? Okay, solution, totally 8 persons. Okay, 8 persons, total number of person, total number of person equal to 8. Okay, totally 3 types of award, be 3 types of award, that is gold, silver and bronze. Okay, this is gold prize. Okay, assume this is gold prize. This is gold prize, 3 types of award. Then the next one is silver, then the third one is bronze. Totally 8 person. Okay, totally 8 person. Person 1, person 2, person 3, person 4, person 5, person 6, person 7, person 8. Okay, in the first prize awarded in gold. Okay, totally 8 chances Okay, totally 8 chances. Okay, each person can get the award gold. Okay, 8 chances. 8 chances. Here, any one person, assume any one person can get the award of gold. For example, person 1. Okay, person 1 can get the award gold. In the silver, only possible to 7 person. Okay, except person 1. Here, only possible to 7 person. The bronze, only chances to 6 person. Okay, 6 persons. That is 8 into 7 into 6. Okay, 8 sevens are 8 sevens are okay, 8 6 into 7, 8 into 7, okay, into 6. 6 6 are 36, remaining 3 33. Okay, therefore 336 ways the total prices, that is 3 types of award, gold, silver and bronze, are distributed in 336 ways. Okay. Next, second subdivision. 3 men have 4 coats, 5 waistcoats and 6 caps. Okay. Solution. Here given 3 men. Okay, given 3 men. This is men 1. Men 1. Okay. This is men 2. This is men 3. Men 3. The 3 men have 4 coat, okay, 5 waistcoats and 6 caps. 3 types of clothes, okay. The first one is coats and second one is waistcoats and third one is cap. Okay. Here the first one is coat, okay, coats. Then the second one is waistcoats, and the third one is cap. Okay, cap. The men 2. First one is coat, second one is waistcoat, third one is caps. Okay. The men 3. First one is coat, second one is waistcoat, third one is cap. Okay, here totally 4 coats, 5 waistcoats and 6 caps. In how many ways can they wear them? Okay, in the men 1, total number of coats 4 and waistcoats 5 and caps 6. In the first man wearing 4 different, okay, 4 different types of coats. Here 4 chances, okay, 4 chances. In the waistcoat is 5 chances. In the caps 6 chances of men 1. Okay. Then the men 2 coat is only remaining for 3. Okay, only for 3 coats. Okay. Here already is wearing men 1. Then the remaining is 4. Only here 3 chance, here 4 chance. Then the remaining in 5 caps. Okay, 5 caps. This is 5. In the men 3, only remaining 2 coats. So the men 3, only possible basis 2 chances. Okay, 2 chances. The waistcoats is 3, caps is 4. Totally 2 into 3 into 4. The product of all numbers. Okay, product of all numbers, which is the required solution. Okay. Then the 7th question, how many strings means different arrangements. Okay, different arrangements, okay, can be formed from the letters of the word article. Given one word article. Okay, so that vowels occupy the even places. This is the condition. Okay, vowels are occupied in the even places. Okay, solution. Here given the word article article, okay. Here the word letter A in only once present of the word A, okay, only once. The R is only placed in the word only once, T is only once, I is only once, C is only once, L is only once, E is only once, okay. The vowels are which are the vowels in the word article A, I, E, okay, A, I, E are the vowels, and consonants are, what are the consonants of word article? R, T, C, L, okay, C, L, totally 4. Here vowels totally 3, okay. Here the total number of letter in the word article is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 7. Here using 7 boxes, 7 boxes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, okay, 7 boxes. This is an odd place, isn't it? This is an odd place, okay. This is an even place, this is an odd place, this is an even place, this is an odd place, this is an even place, this is an odd place, okay. In the condition, vowels occupy the even places, okay, vowels occupy the even places. Totally 3 vowels, okay, 3 vowels A, I, E, okay, A, I, E. First apply to the condition, that is in the even places only 3 chances, that is A, I, E, okay. Here 3 chances. The next even places only 2 chances. For example, in this position occupy the letter is A, okay, then the remaining letter is I, E, only 2 chances. In the next one even places only 1 chances. For example, in this position the letter I is occupied, okay. Here the remaining the letter is E, that is only 1 chances, that is 3 into 2 into 1. Then the remaining consonants are R, T, C, L, okay, R, T, C, L, okay, R, T, C, L. Here 4 chances, here 3 chances, here 2 chances, here 1 chances. That is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 4 factorial, which is equal to 4 factorial into the even numbers are 3 into 2 into 1, that is 3 factorial. Product of 4 factorial and 3 factorial, we get the required solution, okay. Next question number 5. A test consists 10 multiple choice questions, okay. Solution: 10 multiple choice questions. In how many ways can the test be answered? And the first one is each question has 4 choices. The first subdivision, total number of question equal to 10, okay. The first subdivision, each question has 4 choices. Here question 1, okay, question 1, question 2, question 3 and so on up to question number 10, okay. Each question have 4 choices, okay, 4 choices. The question 1 can be answered in 4 different ways, okay. The question 2 can be answered in 4 different ways. Question 3 answered in 4 different ways, and so on up to the total number of question is 10, okay. 4 into and so on 4, that is 4 power 10 ways. Okay, 4 power 10 ways. Okay, in the second subdivision, the first 4 question have 3 choices. Here q1, q2, q3 and q4, q5, q6, q7, q8, q9, q10. Okay, in the first 4 questions have 3 choices. First 4 questions have 3 choices. Okay, 3 choices. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 power 4. Okay, 3 power 4. In the next have remaining have 5 choices. Remaining have 5 choices. It means here 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 power 6. Okay, 5 power 6 ways. Totally 3 power 4 into 5 power 6, we get a constant, that is total ways. Okay, total ways. In the third subdivision, question number n has n plus 1 choices. Given in our problem, total number of questions, that is n is 10. N is 10. Okay, n equal to 10. Number of questions, that is n. Total number of choices is number of choices. Number of choices, which is equal to n plus 1 factorial. Okay, n plus 1 factorial. Sorry, n plus 1 choices. N plus 1 choices. That is 10 plus 1 is equal to 11 choices. Okay, 11 choices. Okay, thank you, students.